हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हम क्लास 9th ज्योग्राफी एनसीईआरटी बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 2 की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द राइट आंसर फ्रॉम द फोर अल्टरनेटिव्स गिवन बिलो। इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट है, ए लैंड मास बाउंड बाय अ सी ऑन थ्री साइड्स इज रिफर्ड टू एज, आंसर इज सी, पेनिनसुला। Second, mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as Purvanchal. Answer C is correct. Question number third, the western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as, correct answer is option B, Konkan. Question number 4, the highest peak in the eastern Ghat is, correct answer is option C, Mahendragiri. Question number 2. Answer the following questions briefly. Its first part is, what is Bhabar? Answer is, the rivers after descending from the mountains deposits pebbles in a narrow belt of 8 to 16 km in width lying parallel to the slopes of Shivalik. It is known as Bhabar and it is part of northern plains. All the streams disappears in this belt. Second part is, name the three major divisions of the Himalayas from the north to south. Answer is, the three major divisions of the Himalayas from the north to south are the Great Himalayas, all the Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas, all the Himachal Himalayas, the Outer Himalayas, all the Shivaliks. So you can learn both the names because the Great Himalayas are also called as Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas are also called as Himachal Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas are also called as Shivaliks. Third part is, which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhyan ranges? Answer is Malwa Plateau. Fourth part is, name the island groups of India having coral origin. Answer is Lakshadweep group of islands. Question number 3. Distinguish between, first part is converging and diverging plates. Converging plates, tectonic plates move towards each other. In converging plates, tectonic plates moves towards each other. While in diverging plates, tectonic plates move away from each other. Second one is, example of converging plates are Eurasian and Indo-Australian plate. An example of diverging plates are mid-Atlantic ridge in Atlantic Ocean. These are diagrams of both convergent and divergent boundaries. Second one is Banjar and Khadar. So Banjar are formed of old alluvium, and while Khadar are formed of new alluvium. Second point is, they lie above the floodplains of the rivers and present a terrace-like feature. So Banjar lie above the floodplains of the river and present a terrace-like feature, while Khadar, they lie in the floodplains. Third point is, Banjar contains calcareous deposits, therefore they are less fertile, while in Khadar, these are younger deposits of new alluvium, hence they are fertile. Third part is Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. So we have to distinguish between Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats, they lie between Tapi Valley to Kanyakumari, while Eastern Ghats lie between Mahanadi to Nilgiri Hills. Western Ghats are block mountains, while Eastern Ghats are old fold mountains. Third point is, Western Ghats are continuous which can be crossed through passes, while Eastern Ghats are discontinuous. Western Ghats average altitude is 1200 meter, while Eastern Ghats average altitude is 900 meter. Western Ghats, there is orographic rainfall, while in Eastern Ghats rainfall is limited. Western Ghats, tropical evergreen forest type of vegetation is found there, while in Eastern Ghats, tropical moist deciduous type of vegetation is found. In Western Ghats, there is high biodiversity, while in Eastern Ghats, there is less biodiversity in comparison to Western Ghats. Question number 4. Describe how Himalayas are formed. Answer is India was part of Gondwana land. The conventional currents split the Gondwana land into a number of pieces, thus leading to the drifting of the Indo-Australian plate after being separated from the Gondwana land towards north. The northward drift resulted in the collision of the plate with much larger Eurasian plate. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks which were accumulated in the geosyncline known as the Tethys were folded to form the mountain system of Western Asia and the Himalayas. So in this way Himalayas are formed. Question number 5. Which are the major physiographic division of India? Contrast the relief of the Himalayan region with that of the peninsular plateau. So we have to contrast, we have to differentiate between the relief of the Himalayan region and the peninsular plateau. And first part is major physiographic division. Answer is the major physiographic division of India are the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the islands. And the second part of this question is contrast the relief of the Himalayan region with that of the peninsular plateau. So Himalayan region, the Himalayas constitutes most recent landforms. They are younger in age, while the peninsular plateau constitutes one of the ancient landmass on the Earth's surface. So they are older in age. Second point is they form an unstable zone, while the peninsular plateau, they are the most stable land blocks. Third point is the Himalayan region represents a very youthful topography with high peaks, deep valleys and fast flowing rivers, while in peninsular plateau they represent degraded topography with gently rising hills and wide valleys. Question number 6. Give an account of the northern plains of India. So answer is important features of northern plains are point number 1. The northern plains has been formed by the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra along with their tributaries. Second point is it spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer and is densely populated physiographic division. Point number 3 is this plain is formed of alluvial soil with adequate water supply and favorable climatic conditions, making it a agriculturally productive part of India. Point number 4 is according to the variations in the relief feature, the northern plains can be divided into 4 regions. So you can just write the name of the 4 regions, that is the Babar, the Tarai, Banjar and the Khadar. Or if you can remember, you can write a single line for each of these 4 regions. So Bhabar is narrow belt of about 8 to 16 km in width lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivaliks, while Tarai, it lies south of Bhabar and is wet, swampy and marshy region. Banjar are formed of older alluvium and are largest part of northern plains, while Khadar made up of new alluvium which are very fertile, thus ideal for intensive cultivation. Question number 7. Write short notes on the following. First one is the Indian desert, second is the central highlands, third one is the island groups of India. So first part is the Indian desert. So answer is the Indian desert lies towards the west of the Aravalli Hills. Second point is it is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. Third is this region receives very low rainfall below 150 millimeter per year. Fourth point is it has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Fifth point is streams appear during the rainy season and Luni is the only large river in this region. Barkhans, that are crescent-shaped dunes, covered larger areas, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. The Central Highlands. Second question of this is it is a part answer is it is a part of peninsular plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau. Second point is it is bounded by the Satpura Range on the south and the Aravali on the northwest. Third is river draining this region are Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and the Ken. Fourth point is they are wider in the west but narrower in the east. Fifth point is the eastward extension of this plateau are Bundelkhand, Bhagalkhand and the Chota Nagpur plateau. Third question is the island group of India. The two groups of islands are first one is Lakshadweep Island, second one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. So Lakshadweep Island group lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. They are a small coral island. Earlier they were known as Laccadive, Minicoy and Amendive. In 1973 these were named as Lakshadweep. Kavaratti Island is capital of Lakshadweep. This island group has high biodiversity. Second one is Andaman Nicobar Islands are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. These are volcanic in origin. The Andaman is located in the north and the Nicobar in the south. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. These islands have equatorial climate and has thick forest cover with high biodiversity. Thank you students for watching this video, and the remaining part, that is the map portion, we will do in the next lecture. Thank you so much.